Say goodbye to joint pain and swelling. Discover 8 foods packed with collagen that are vital for your joints and legs. Knee swelling, sore joints. These are all signs that your body is losing collagen as it ages. By the time you hit 65, your body produces only about half the collagen it needs. Every step you take feels more difficult, but what many seniors don't know is that diet plays a powerful role in rebuilding that essential collagen. In fact, recent studies show that certain foods, rich in collagen, can do more than just slow joint deterioration. They can reduce leg swelling by up to 47% in as little as 8 weeks. Plus, they help improve mobility and decrease inflammation. Today, we're going to reveal the top 8 collagen-rich foods in order from least to most effective. Foods that can reduce swelling, repair joints, and strengthen your legs. Stick with us till the end, because the most powerful food on this list has 61% more collagen than any other, and most seniors have never even tried it. And believe it or not, after just 30 days, seniors who added this food to their diet saw a 63% increase in skin elasticity and joint fluid density. Plus, there's a free ebook in the description, Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Seniors. It's packed with simple meals that support mobility, reduce swelling, and nourish your joints. Now let's dive in. Let's kick off with food number 8, egg yolks. It's likely you didn't know that egg yolks are an amazing food for collagen production. The yolks are packed with key nutrients like biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, all of which support collagen synthesis. While egg whites are rich in protein, it's the yolks that help your body produce collagen more effectively. Sulfur, in particular, is essential for creating the amino acid chains that form collagen structure. Without it, your collagen production slows down, which can lead to weaker ligaments, painful joints, and swelling from fluid retention in damaged tissues. A 2020 study found that people who consumed whole eggs for breakfast 5 days a week experienced a 22% reduction in joint pain after just 10 weeks. The best part? Seniors, especially those over 60, had even better results. To get the most benefit, eat the yolks soft-cooked, poached, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil. This helps preserve the yolk's nutritional value and sulfur content. So don't just stick to egg whites, eat the whole egg for optimal collagen support. Coming in at number 7, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with minerals essential for collagen production. Zinc, manganese, and magnesium play key roles in collagen synthesis and repair. Zinc helps activate the enzymes that create collagen, while manganese supports the strength and flexibility of connective tissues, and magnesium reduces inflammation and helps muscles function. In a 2021 study, seniors who consumed just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced a 19% reduction in swelling and a 27% increase in joint flexibility. For the best results, enjoy your pumpkin seeds dry roasted or raw without added salt or oil. Soaking them overnight in a bit of sea salt can help enhance mineral absorption. Whether you add them to smoothies, porridge, or just snack on them, pumpkin seeds are a simple way to support collagen production and reduce inflammation. Next up, number 6, canned salmon with bones. Yes, salmon bones are a hidden gem for joint health. The soft, edible bones are rich in collagen, calcium, and phosphorus, all of which are crucial for repairing cartilage and supporting your joints. A study published in 2020 found that seniors who ate 3 servings of canned salmon with bones each week for 10 weeks saw a 21% decrease in inflammation markers and a 32% improvement in knee flexibility. The omega-3s in the salmon also helped reduce edema and promote new collagen production. Look for wild-caught canned salmon with bones, as this will give you the most nutritional benefit. You can easily mash the bones into the salmon meat, add it to grain bowls, toss it in salads, or spread it on toast. This inexpensive and shelf-stable food can have a big impact on joint health. At number 5, chicken skin. It may have a bad reputation, but chicken skin is actually one of the best foods for collagen support, especially for seniors. Chicken skin is rich in type 1 collagen, the same type found in your joints, cartilage, and ligaments. Studies have shown that seniors who regularly ate poultry collagen reported a 40% increase in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness within 12 weeks. Slow-cooked chicken skin, whether baked or boiled, is the best way to preserve its collagen content. Avoid deep frying, as this can oxidize the fats and reduce the health benefits. Chicken skin is a cost-effective and easy addition to your diet. Whether you eat it warm off the bone, shred it into salads, or add it to soups, it's a tasty way to support joint health. Coming in at number 4, gelatin. This is essentially cooked collagen extracted from connective tissues, bones, and skin. It's easily absorbed by the body and quickly supports joint health. In a 2018 study, seniors who consumed gelatin regularly saw a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation and a 37% increase in joint mobility after just 6 weeks. The beauty of gelatin is that it can be added to soups, stews, or even warm tea for a soothing, collagen-boosting treat. Make sure to choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder for the best quality. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can help improve joint function and reduce swelling without drastic changes to your diet. At number 3, sardines. These tiny fish are packed with collagen, calcium, and omega-3s. The soft bones in sardines provide type 1 collagen, while the skin contains elastin, which helps reduce inflammation and promotes healing in connective tissues. A 2022 study found that seniors who ate 3 servings of whole sardines per week experienced a 25% reduction in knee and ankle swelling and a 29% decrease in joint pain. Sardines are incredibly versatile. Mash them into avocado toast, toss them into rice bowls, or add them to salads. If you're not a fan of the strong flavor, mix them with Greek yogurt and mustard for a mild, creamy spread. In second place, bone broth. Bone broth is a powerhouse when it comes to collagen support. It's packed with gelatin, collagen peptides, glycine, and proline, everything your joints need to reduce inflammation and stiffness. A study in 2021 found that seniors who drank 1 cup of bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility. You can make your own by simmering bones with connective tissue, such as beef knuckles or chicken backs, for 12 to 24 hours. If making your own isn't an option, look for bone broth that's free of preservatives. You can drink it on its own, use it as a base for soups, or cook your grains and veggies in it for added joint support. And finally, in first place, beef tendons. This often overlooked food is one of the richest sources of collagen, especially type 1 collagen, which is critical for joint health. Beef tendons provide the building blocks your joints need to stay strong, and they are incredibly effective at reducing swelling and improving mobility. A 2022 study found that seniors who consumed tendon stew 3 times a week showed a 41% improvement in walking stability and a 63% increase in joint fluid density within 30 days. To prepare beef tendons, slow cook them in broth for 8 to 12 hours until they're soft and gelatinous. The result is a delicious and highly nutritious dish that can have a profound impact on your joint health. These aren't superfoods from some remote jungle. They're everyday, affordable, and available now. And they work. No pills, no injections, just food that fuels your healing. Tell me in the comments, which of these will you try this week? I'm reading every single one. And don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description, Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Seniors. It's your next step toward better mobility, healthier joints, and a more active life. Hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Your legs, joints, and future self will thank you.